Hey there, from Bugeye Guys today. We're talking about Aussie. This is a really nice car, and I just invite anybody looking for a good Bugeye to check this one out. It is extremely solid. It has a new performance exhaust system, and it sounds fantastic. And of course, this is a 1275 powered car. You can, if you get on the gas, it makes a lot of beautiful noise, like an old Anza exhaust. This is our twin tip custom muffler that we make just to try to maximize the sound that you get out of these cars. But if you're easy on the gas, the sound is actually much more sedate, and it's not a problem to kind of loaf around. We just spent about 40 hours on this car getting it ready for sale. People always see these cars online and think they're perfectly prepared, and they always show up, and this is an excellent car, but it still needed 40 hours of work, which is just mind-blowing to me, how there's always so much to do to keep these cars fresh and vital. But we put in all new metal hard lines. You'll see some nice pictures on our site of the engine bay. And we also have just got a lot of confidence in this car because we owned it 10 years ago. And we sold it to a collector who didn't use it a whole lot, and now we were happy to buy it back. It's just a nice, attractive color scheme. I personally would change the dashboard to the matching sort of deep red that you see in the interior. I can see there are actually some imperfections near the grab handle in the dashboard covering. It may have been glued down there. There's a little bit of it's just not uniform and flat. We have, on many of these cars, we'll take out the dashboards and weld shut any holes and then fill them and smooth them out and then recover them. And it would be a perfect opportunity to make this car just another level, bring it up another level. I might also put on a matching tonneau. And you can see I got a lot of power. You can spin the wheels in first gear. And we have disc brakes in the front as well, so the stopping is really nice. So I'm just going to jump on the highway here. This is Aussie. Give us a call at Bugeye Guys. We can get you set up. We also have a lot of pictures on our website. The car is ready to go as it sits, and if you want any improvements or upgrades made, this is a fantastic foundation. Thank you very much for coming for a drive with us today at Bugeye Guys.